Hello YouTube. Recently I picked up this nice set here, as you can see, and now the box is pretty beat up, but I did get this for a really good deal, and it is complete, so I did check that out, so I have opened it already. But the set number is 10247, and that is the Ferris wheel. As you can see, this is an expert set, so it has all of these cool little features in there, 2,464 pieces, so it should be a pretty decent build. So I figured I would try something new with the set. I have a few sets actually that I would like to build, and I'm just gonna try it on this set here and see how it goes. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the set, show you guys what it comes in the box. So kind of already opened this, as you can see, so I'm gonna go ahead and dump this out. And there is a ton of Lego in this set. So now, as you can see, I've laid out all the bags for you so you can see what comes with the set. So I'm going to go ahead and scan over here and tell you how many there are, since I kind of overlap them. There should be 6 number 1 bags, including that one down there, 5 number 2 bags, 8 number 3 bags, and a total of 5 number 4 bags. With this little bag here, so it's a big bag, and then you've got your manual. So you've got a total of 25 Lego bags here. That's pretty significant. But yeah, so that's all of the bags laid out, so now I'm going to go ahead and start building the set. so this will conclude the build video for this set, the Lego Ferris wheel, and I hope you guys enjoyed that little speed build. This is my first time ever doing a set video, as you probably know, and this is actually the first time I've built a set in a while, and this is the very first time I've ever built an expert set. So I was facing some new things with this nice little booklet. It has like a binding and everything, so that's pretty nice. This set did come with a piece remover, which is also nice to see. These slopes are only extras because I installed the power functions in the back. You can't really see it right now. And then there's a few extra pieces there as well. So it's always nice to have those extra pieces just in case you're missing some, lose them, or whatever. So I have this on a turntable so you can see, but I can't fit it all on the screen, so I'll try to do the best I can. But I'll try to turn it a little bit and then show you guys. You can see the power functions, and it's on right now in the back. So as you can see, this set is just massive. It's quite fulfilling build, especially based on the size, and the detail is also quite great. So this set I highly recommend. It was definitely worth the price, and especially the price I paid. So I definitely got a pretty good deal on this. So take a look at that. Looks really nice. And I'll show you guys the functionality here in the back. I am filming this by hand, so sorry. This is the turntable, so that wouldn't be there normally. I just have it on that so I can show you guys the functions of it. So here I have it kind of stopped. You want this in the center, but this lever comes with it like this, and it raises these grates for unloading and loading the Ferris wheel. That's how they work in real life, so that's a pretty cool feature, and they just barely don't hit the grates when it's spinning around, so that's also really good. There's a lot of detail in this kit, a lot of functionality. And so I'll go ahead and spin it for you guys. So I have the switch. I did the switch, that motor, and that battery box, but other than that, it's all stock. And so I could slow it down, but I kind of like the speed of this. So as you can see, it works really well, and it's very, very smooth. The mechanism for this actually uses 2 wheels, you can see there. So it's a really fulfilling build. It's a quite beautiful kit, like I said, and it's just massive. It's really a lot of detail that went into this. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that little build video. This is the first time I've ever done a kit video, speed build, all that stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I actually just figured out that this tile goes here. I guess that's what happens when you build 2 of them at once. You kind of forget. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Just let me know what you guys thought. Please give me some feedback so I know what to improve upon for future set videos, hopefully. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that and got an idea of what it would be like to buy this set. So that's pretty much it. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.